Imagine a hidden force affecting our healing processes, unseen but impactful. Dr. Joey Jones and Dr. Yury Kronn discovered how energetic pollution in labs impacts cell healing, a finding that could change the way we approach medical science. In their research, they found that in clean labs, treated cells had a high survival rate of 88%, while in dirty labs, where experiments were conducted on dissected animals, the healing rate dropped to 0%. To address this, they used vital force technology, or VFT, which infuses subtle energy into solutions, effectively cleaning the energetic environment. VFT uses a tunable plasma-based generator to create precise energy patterns. These patterns can be infused into liquids, making them potent tools for cleaning and enhancing environments. The results were astounding. Even in dirty environments, the survival rate of treated cells increased dramatically when infused solutions were used. These infused solutions improved cell survival rates from 50.5% to over 88% when used in energetically dirty labs. This discovery has profound implications for hospitals, clinics, and even homes, where energetic pollution can hinder healing. Imagine a world where surgical rooms, emergency rooms, and healing spaces are energetically clean, leading to faster recovery and better health outcomes. Dr. Kronn and Dr. Jones have shown that by cleaning energetic pollution, we can harness the full potential of healing energies. These findings could revolutionize how we approach healing, from everyday health practices to advanced medical treatments. By adopting these technologies, we can create healthier environments, enhancing well-being and promoting faster recovery. Learn more about vital force technology and how it can transform your world.